Hey guys, I'm in a Burlington coat factory. I've done a video here a long time ago, probably with a much poorer quality camera. There are some ConTechs, and some of them are off, and some of them are running in reverse. And I'm used to them all running in reverse, so it's the first time, actually a couple times I've seen them all off, but it's definitely the first time I've seen like a half and half arrangement. This used to be a Kmart with the originals, and I remember when it was a Kmart with the originals, and I remember when this was built, and they put the ConTechs in. And it was actually twice this size, and then they added that wall right ahead of me, and they made that a different store. And I think technically one of the ConTechs might be replaced by a Westinghouse. I'll see if I can spot it on my way out. I don't come in here. That's interesting. I don't come in here very often. It used to be over the registers. So that's a ConTech. Is it over here? Yeah, there's the Westinghouse. That used to be where the registers were, over here. So, okay, just wanted to show you guys an updated video while I was here. Thanks for watching.